All right, welcome to Lesson 2, Video 2, Creating Content Part 1. So we've gone over how to find some really awesome stock photos for your brand, and we're going to use those when we get into the next lesson in creating content, which is how to actually start creating your postings. But we also need to find your brand hex codes. If you have a logo or you have images on your website already, then you're going to want to use those to grab your brand colors. If you bought a branding kit, then your hex code should be provided in the branding kit, but if they aren't, I'll show you how to grab them. And if you built your own, then I'll show you how to use some of the images that you found on your inspiration board to get your exact hex codes. Okay, so the best I can recommend is actually just hop into Google and put hex codes from image. I use this first one all the time, colors from image. It's htmlcolorcodes.info, colors from image, but it's it's usually the first thing that pops up on Google. But this is the URL if you want to just go straight here. So the reason I like this one is you upload your photo and you actually can pull multiple colors from it. So if you have a logo, all you have to do is upload your logo and you can get all your hex codes at once. So what you'll do is either draw from your logo, or if you found some inspiration photos, you can pull those up as well. And you'll go upload file. And you'll upload the file of your logo or whatever photo you're using to pull colors from for your brand. And it'll pop up here. And all you do is hover over the color that you want. So let's say I used this photo for inspiration for my brand, and maybe I want that gold color as part of my brand. You can click right there, it'll pop up that color, and this is your code. So for every color that you've chosen for your brand, the reason you want the hex code is because you want the same exact colors across all of your platforms. This is super important for visual consistency, right? If your colors are gold, navy blue, burgundy, you don't want one red on your Facebook header and one red on your Facebook post for that day and a different color red on your business card and a different color red on your profile picture. It's going to be too many different colors, right? So that's why we use hex codes, so that we can be sure we're using the right color across all different platforms. So get all of whatever colors you've chosen, get the hex code for all of those colors, and make sure you copy and paste it somewhere. I have a Mac, so I just use like the stickies, but you can put it anywhere. Just make sure you have it. You can also put it on your brand board. I believe I have mine. Yeah, you can put them right there on your brand board. And then every time you reference your brand board, you'll have it. The other thing that's good about that is if you ever use a web designer or a social media manager, then they have your hex codes as well. So it can do a lot for consistency.